Have you tried to link your second YouTube channel to an AdSense, but it keeps failing and asking you to create a new AdSense account? Yeah, that's exactly where most people mess up. So before I show you the correct way, hit that like and subscribe button, because this is one of those things that can delay your monetization if you get it wrong. So most creators don't know this because YouTube can only allow one AdSense account at a time. So if you try to create another AdSense account for your second channel, boom, you get a lot of errors, disapprovals, or even monetization delays. So in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how you can properly link your YouTube channel, that's your second YouTube channel, to your already existing AdSense account that you use to link your first YouTube channel without errors and any confusion. So this is my second YouTube channel, and it has already reached the monetization threshold of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And as you can see here, the apply tab is already active. So I'm just ready to apply for monetization of this other YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is just to go ahead and tap on apply now. Let's go and do it together. Tap on it. Then there are 3 steps to apply for monetization here. As you can see, the first step is to review base terms. Then the second step is to sign up for AdSense. Then the last step and the third step is to get reviewed by YouTube before you get accepted for the YPP. So we are going to go ahead and click on start there. Then after clicking on start, read all these terms and conditions, then read them all, then accept the terms, check that box, then accept. After that, you can see the second step is active and it's saying you can start. So this is where you can add this channel to an existing AdSense account, or you can create another AdSense account. But note that you can also only have one AdSense account at a time. So because we already have an existing AdSense account linked to our first YouTube channel, we are just going to go ahead and link this other YouTube channel to that already existing AdSense account. So just click on start. Then you can read here, do you have an existing AdSense or AdSense for YouTube? We can say yes, we have an existing AdSense account. So tap on the first one, then tap on next. So here you choose the email or the account, the Google account associated with your existing AdSense account. So let me tap on it. Then you are taken to this interface here, then tap on continue. Then you can see the link of this YouTube channel is already there. Then tap on set up account. Then you wait for YouTube to redirect you to your YouTube studio, or you can as well tap on redirect to. Already it's doing it. Let's just wait. As you can see, it's already checked green, which means this other YouTube channel is already linked to my existing AdSense account. So what I'll be waiting for is to get reviewed by YouTube. As you can see here, it's in progress, and wait to be accepted for the YPP. So that's how you link your YouTube channel or your second YouTube channel to an already existing AdSense account. Most of the time, this second step here, where you need to sign up for AdSense account, a lot of creators usually get many errors before they can link their channels successfully. So if you're also experiencing such errors and YouTube is telling you that you already have an existing account and you can't link your YouTube channel, please reach out to me via the contacts in the description below so that I can help you set up your AdSense account so that you cannot delay your monetization anymore. So if this video helped you, please like it and you can share it with more people who may also need it. By doing that, YouTube will help push it further to a broader audience. And also don't forget to subscribe and put that notification bell on so that any other time I drop a video, YouTube automatically gives you a notification. See you in my next video.